You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, headlights auto off, mirror memory, traction control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.